Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and as you are watching this is happening today in Alaba Market, Lagos. Can you imagine? What is this that politics turning into? Burning houses, burning stores, money and goods that people suffer to accomplish, they are just going down without trace, destroying everything. Is this the country or the type of country they want to build for their children and unborn children? The truth remains that you will not see the children of all these leaders here as traders in the market. So they have every right to do what they need to do. This is the reason you need your country, Biafra.
Kita ka ọ na-ahapụrụ n'Alaba ihe ine na-eme ka ndị union Alaba youth Alaba onye ọ na-adị ready, onye ọ na-apụta for them etu o kwesịrị isi wee do, etu o kwesịrị isi wee do.
Igbo ihe akwa Alaba International Market, anyị na-enye ndị agboro ọsọ na main road. Anyị na-enye ndị agboro ọsọ na main road iwe ewego ụmụazị Igbo apụtago n'ikem. Anyị gwa ndị agboro ha nyere anyị efe na express, ha baa na street ha kretiela anyị park, ha nyere anyị efe iwe ewego ndị Igbo na-enene na anya biko.
This is the height of it. Now you see the reason why some people are saying there is no election and you start fighting them. See, they don't love you. That is just the basic truth. This is a serious crash between Igbos living in Lagos State that are doing business in Agbero and the Agbero in Lagos State. It was not a joke and it was not funny. Not everything we can bring here. But we just have to tell you people the reality of life. Do you know that they've been going from one stores to stores, burning them? That this is not the first time they were doing it. And again, some persons that are in that place, they are one Nigerianists. They are people that believe in one Nigeria. All this while when people are dying, people are crying, people are weeping, they just behave as if they are in another state. They don't even care. And these are their people. But when there is a little problem, you see they're calling, oh, they should share the country, blah, blah, blah. But immediately this problem is solved, you see them changing the narrative. So, now that they are destroying their properties, scattering everything, they have to make sure they secure that property there, because if they did not secure it there, they will be coming to Southeast to be liability on people. They will be coming to Southeast empty-handed to start doing one or two things that is unlawful. So therefore, since they believe in one Nigeria, they have to also secure their properties. They have to secure their goods. They have to secure everything, because they can't just leave Lagos State empty-handed. It is impossible. This is another way that Tinubu is trying to bring problem between the Igbos and the Yorubas, so that he will be assured that all the people that will be in Lagos State will be casting their vote for him. This is just the trick. This is politics for you. This is the way they want to run the country. Time without number, they have come out to let you know that if they did not become the president, no one else. These people, they don't feel for human. They don't feel for you. They don't know what you pass through. They don't care. They are not concerned about what you said or what you do. What they are concerned about is what they are doing right now. Selfish gain. It's just that some persons that are still there still believe in the one Nigeria. For how long? It is obvious that they did not need you. It is obvious that they don't want you. Then why will you be deceiving yourself when you know the truth? Why can't you speak the truth to yourself? The worst thing that a person can do to his or herself is when you are enemy to your own self. That is the worst thing that you will do. Or when you start lying to your own self. You knew the truth. You know very well that you are not with these people. You know very well that these people, they are not for you. But still, you will still want to be dancing along with them. There are a lot of people that are saying they are neither for Obi, nor they are neither for nobody. They are just remaining there. If it's good, it's okay. If it's bad, it's okay. You will not also blame those people. There is something that prompts them to make those type of statements. Just imagine a person that demands or his livelihood, everything about him, dwell in that business. And now, for you to know that you are not with these people, imagine the court pronouncement that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released immediately. What is going on since then? Nobody is saying anything about it. Everybody is keeping quiet. The leaders in southeastern part of Nigeria, they are not saying anything about it. Everybody is silent. Where people have been crying, oh, please, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Buhari is still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu till this very moment. Nobody said anything about it. The southeastern governors, the leaders, they don't care. They don't say anything about it. But do you guys remember that before Tinubu start contesting for Nigeria president, what was the first thing he did? He released Sunday Igboho. Yes, he released Sunday Igboho. Now ask yourself a question. When you see that the Yorubas, they are backing their own, but you see what happened in Southeast, nobody cares. Because why? They've been controlled by their leader, that is the Funanis. They prefer the Northerners more than you. They prefer the Funanis more than you because they are the ones that are in charge. Do you know that as it stands, the governors don't even have rights to talk to policemen, uniform men? They are being controlled from Abuja direct. So tell me, who is ruling who? In your own state as a governor, you don't have rights. That is where you will know that you fail to deliver and you also fail the people. Now look at what people pass through all over. You will not see that what happened today. If it would have been only Igbos or Igbos, you will see what would have been going on there. But tell me, even when the Agbero was telling uniform men to release the granules on them, they could not because they are scared. That is the essence. You see how these people protect their own. But your own, who is protecting you? You should be the voice for yourself. That is why I said, don't blame people that said there is no election, because believe me, they are tired. So my Korelistic people, please share this video. Let it go viral for the world to know what is going on right now. The clash between the Igbos and Agbero in Lagos. Thank you so much and bye-bye.